LG smartphone users are woke up with this error. It says, unfortunately, LG IMS has stopped. To address this issue permanently, finally we got official update from T-Mobile, and looks like they have permanently fixed this issue. So if you are a LG user getting this pop-up saying unfortunately LG IMS has stopped, well, this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to permanently fix this constant LG IMS pop-ups. So without further ado, let's get started. If you have watched our previous videos, we have showed you the temporary solution to fix this LG IMS pop-ups, but today we are talking about the permanent solution to this LG IMS pop-ups. And the way you're gonna do that is pretty simple. As per T-Mobile said, you need to download the update to restore your IMS connectivity and remove the IMS message pop-ups. And it works on all T-Mobile models. So first thing first, right into your app drawer, click onto the search icon and search for Update Center. And there it is. This is the Update Center application. Alternatively, you can find this app into your access settings. Since there are a lot of LG phones and different models as well, your update center may look different. Just look it up for the update center, and once you open it up, here you can see into the app update, we got one critical update. Can anyone guess what that is? Here you'll see option for LG IMS Improved. You need to update this LG IMS Improved application, and once the app installation is completed, then you can simply long press your power button to access the boot menu. And now over here you simply need to click on power off and restart. And there it is guys, that should be the end of LG IMS pop-ups. So did you manage to solve this issue? Do let me know in the comments down below. If your phone is fixed, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.